Vinegento keire romora ibwe kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kunyara kwa kaweso kena ukwanera igoro yokorobekano kugotindi
Don't pretend about this. What is clear?
Wasebyo mbaba saya banasiasa banyara kwa baweso kena gukwanera igoro y'abantu kubura senjira yobo tutukanu hasebo igo Kalonzo ahereri bageli abene na kugikiria obora ibwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi ya Dr. William Samuel Ruto asanyara kwa kagotebo nga kubatikana muno korobekana kwanya tukobo ko ene kibwa bwasaba nenchi besogeti na gukwanera igoro ye finance bill bwasaba ntabange basiretie amagima abo boigo abanyanyimbo koirira kunyara kwa bako baka banda masasi asate benga wekira boneiga onde bwensi tarabe kwa biara anmono uri obwatiranitibwe amono korobekano kukwirira abantu gosiria amagima abo boigo abande baborite wekira boneiga.
No pretend about this. What is clear, no matter the type of whitewashing, chest thumping, and sugarcoating Mr. Ruto's misguided social media gang attempts to do by sponsoring all manner of hashtags, is that Mr. William Ruto is the chief commander of the abduction squad. We demand that all 82 youth who have been abducted in the last 3 months be released and returned to their families immediately. Fellow Kenyans, 2024 will be remembered as a very difficult and painful season. The year, and in particular June 25th, will also be recognized as a year young Kenyans impeached Parliament and brought to life the articles of the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. Up to date, not one security agent has been charged with these heinous and illegal atrocities against humanity.